Upgrading your home's exterior with new lighting is an investment that enhances the beauty, security, and functionality of your property. Whether you're installing lighting for the first time or updating an existing system, exterior lighting installation in Southlake can dramatically improve the curb appeal and safety of your home. However, understanding the installation process is key to ensuring a smooth and successful project. From initial consultations to the final touches, here's a customer-focused guide to what you can expect during your exterior lighting installation in Southlake. Initial consultation and design. The first step in the installation process is the consultation. A lighting expert will visit your home to assess your outdoor spaces, discuss your goals, and understand your preferences. They'll consider factors like the architecture of your home, your landscaping features, and the areas you want to highlight, such as pathways, trees, or the front entrance. During this stage, the professional will walk you through various lighting options. For example, they might suggest uplighting to accentuate trees, pathway lights to illuminate walkways, or wall-mounted sconces to highlight your home's exterior. You'll also discuss the type of lights you prefer, such as LED lights for energy efficiency or solar-powered lights for sustainability. The lighting professional will then create a customized lighting design tailored to your home's unique features, the desired mood you want to create, and your budget. If you have any special requests, such as motion sensor lights for added security, this is the time to discuss them. Planning and preparation. Once the design is finalized, the next step is planning the installation. Your installer will determine the exact locations for the lights, taking into account factors such as the location of electrical outlets, sunlight exposure for solar lights, and the landscape layout. The plan will include a detailed map showing where each light will be placed and how the wiring will be routed. If you're replacing an existing lighting system, the professional will inspect the current wiring to determine whether it needs to be upgraded or replaced. This step ensures the new system is safe, efficient, and ready for use. You'll also discuss the timeline for the installation. Depending on the size and complexity of the project, the installation could take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. If you have any questions about the process, the lighting expert will be happy to answer them at this stage. Installation day. What to expect? On the day of installation, the lighting team will arrive at your home and begin the setup process. The team will likely consist of electricians and lighting specialists who will handle everything from wiring to fixture placement. The installation process generally involves laying the groundwork. The team will mark the locations for the lights based on the design plan. Running wires. For wired systems, the team will carefully run wires from the power source to each lighting fixture. In many cases, the wires will be buried underground for a clean, professional look. Placing fixtures. The lights will be placed according to the design, whether they are mounted on walls, set in the ground, or installed on poles or posts. Connecting the system. Once the lights are in place, the installer will connect everything to the power supply, ensuring that each light works correctly and is properly wired. For solar-powered lights, the installation is typically faster since they don't require wiring. These lights will be positioned in areas with plenty of sunlight, such as along pathways, driveways, or near garden beds. During installation, you may be asked to review the setup before the team proceeds with final adjustments. This is your opportunity to request any last-minute changes or tweaks to the lighting placement. Testing and final adjustments. Once the installation is complete, the lighting system will be tested to ensure everything works as expected. The team will check that each light is functioning properly, and if necessary, adjust the brightness, angles, or timers for optimal performance. For smart lighting systems, the installer will show you how to control the lights via a smartphone app or remote control. They'll walk you through the features, including timing functions, dimming options, and motion sensors, so you can customize the lighting based on your needs. If your lighting system includes motion detectors or smart technology, the technician will test these features to ensure they're correctly programmed to respond to movement or light levels. Cleanup and maintenance tips. After everything is set up, the team will clean up the work area, removing any debris or leftover materials. They will also ensure that your yard or exterior area looks as pristine as it did before the installation. You'll receive maintenance instructions to help you care for your new lighting system. For example, you may need to clean the fixtures periodically or check that the solar lights are receiving enough sunlight. The installer may also offer warranty details and recommend a maintenance schedule for long-term care. Enjoy your beautiful, well-lit home. Once everything is installed and functioning, you can sit back and enjoy the transformation. Your newly illuminated exterior will enhance the beauty and security of your home, making it stand out in your Southlake neighborhood, whether it's for a cozy evening or a special event. Conclusion. Installing exterior lighting in Southlake is a straightforward process that can dramatically enhance the beauty, security, and functionality of your home. By working with a professional lighting expert, you'll ensure that your lighting system is well designed, properly installed, and tailored to your specific needs. From the consultation and design stages to the final testing, you can expect a seamless experience that results in a beautifully illuminated home you'll enjoy for years to come.